Welcome to BrilliantIT. Today's topic is how to send large file in a secure way. You can send large file up to 50 GB without any limit. And one more good thing is you can send file quickly. So one more thing, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and also like, share if you like my video. Thank you very much. So first of all, in a Google search box, you search Toffee share for PC, and then this link you can click in here. You can use in a mobile as well, so you click in here. So what is the feature of this site? Share file privately and fast without size limit, no size limit, peer to peer, lighting fast, and encrypt. This means it is very secure. So just click in here, and first of all I show you one of the ISO file, Windows 8.1 okay, or 10. So it is 4.2 GB. Then open. Now you see how long it takes. Its upload time is just 3 seconds. So you can barcode, if a barcode scanner, you can scan the barcode and send it to your friend, or you can copy this one and send it in a email. Send it in share the link in your email. So write the subject, then send it. Now you open the file. It's connected to the sender. It takes few seconds, I hope so. Yes, now you can download the file. So it takes only 2 to 3 minutes. So you see the download speed. My download is very not too good, so that's why this is speed. If you have a good connection, it can download only 2 to 3 minutes. So it is incredible. It is it. So thank you very much. If you like my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.